Welcome to Store Cupboard Science. This is our first activity and we are going to be using materials and ingredients that we can find around our home to do some fun experiments and sciencey demos. First of all, we are going to be making our very own volcanoes.
Volcanoes are formed deep within the earth. The earth is surrounded by a thin crust made up of solid rocks and minerals. Underneath this is the mantle, and even deeper is the earth's core made up of molten iron. The mantle is made up of solid rocks and minerals, just like the crust, but sometimes rocks in the mantle will melt. They then move up through the Earth's crust, release pent-up gases, and cause a volcano to erupt. Melted rock is called magma. Lava is magma which has reached the surface of the Earth and is bright red or orange. We are now going to make our very own volcanoes.
To carry out this experiment, you will need 3 jars, glasses or bottles, bicarbonate of soda, 20 grams times 3, or about 2 average-sized bottle caps, 3 different types of food colouring, mixed with 100 millilitres of vinegar in each jar. You will need no washing up liquid in the first experiment, 5 millilitres of washing up liquid in the second experiment, which is about half of an average sized bottle cap, and 10 millilitres of washing up liquid in the third experiment, which is about a full bottle cap. Don't worry if you don't have a measuring device for the washing up liquid, as long as you have half as much in the second experiment as you do in the third.
When you mix bicarbonate of soda, which is an alkali, and vinegar, which is an acid, together, they form a chemical reaction called neutralisation reaction. During this reaction, they also release a gas called carbon dioxide, which you can see as bubbles or hear as a fizz.
In our experiment, we are going to make a hypothesis. Scientists always make hypotheses, and these are predictions about what will happen in their experiment. So we are going to add different amounts of washing up liquid, 5 millilitres and 10 millilitres. What difference do you think this will make to how quickly our volcano erupts? Please make your own hypothesis and mark it down on the activity sheet.
Now you will need a stopwatch. You could use your phone or a tablet for this. To the first jar, we won't add any washing up liquid. Now it's time to add the bicarbonate of soda. Get your stopwatch ready and press start at the same time as adding the bicarbonate of soda. Press stop when the foam reaches the top of the jar. Enter your results into your activity sheet. To the second, we will add 5 millilitres of washing up liquid, or half a bottle cap. Gently swirl the jar to mix the washing up liquid. Now it's time to add the bicarbonate of soda at the same time as starting your stopwatch. Stop your stopwatch when the foam reaches the top. And to the third, we will add 10 millilitres of washing up liquid. Finally, Add the bicarbonate of soda to the last jar at the same time as starting your stopwatch. Stop your stopwatch when the foam reaches the top and again, record your results on the activity sheet. So, which volcano exploded the fastest? The carbon dioxide gas, which is released from the reaction, bubbles up the washing up liquid. The more washing up liquid, the slower the foam.
I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Join us in the rest of the workshop with my colleague Vanessa for some more fun experiments. Thank you. Bye.